This video shows how to build and debug for Renesas RA family in Visual Studio Code. Please follow the steps in the video to install the Renesas extensions. For more details on the specific device family, you can refer to the user guide. Open VS Code. Select the Renesas icon. Renesas Quick Install to open the Renesas Platform Manager. Click the Install button for the Renesas RA device family. Click Start Installation. When the SEGGER J-Link setup wizard pops up, follow the steps to complete the installation. CMake, Ninja Build, Python, ARM GNU Toolchain, support files for RA family and the Renesas RA Smart Configurator will be downloaded and installed automatically. To install additional toolchain, select the Build Tools tab in the Renesas Platform Manager. Expand the ARM LLVM toolchain list. Click the Install button for the latest version. Click Start Installation. The ARM LLVM toolchain will be downloaded and installed automatically. If you are using Renesas emulators, please install the latest USB drivers before starting your debug session. This demonstration uses the EK-RA6M5 board. Connect the board to the PC via J10 connector. Select Renesas icon. Create Renesas RA project. Renesas RA Smart Configurator. Select a folder to create the project. Keep the project name. And click Next. Select the board, device, and preferred toolchain. Set IDE project type as CMake. Select the project type. Keep the Use Smart Bundle option unchecked for the sample project. Continue with No or Toss for the sample project. For demonstration, choose the bare metal Blinky template. Click Finish. Close RA Smart Configurator after generation of the project files completes. Select View. Command Palette. CMake, Configure. In the Kit selection menu, choose Renesas Platform, ARM GNU Toolchain for GCC projects. Or Renesas Platform, ARM LLVM Toolchain for LLVM projects. It is important to use the Renesas Platform kits, which include Renesas-specific configuration settings. Missing or choosing the wrong CMake kit may cause build issues. Please reselect it using CMake. Select a kit from the VS Code command palette if needed. The project configuration completes successfully. Go to Terminal. Run Build Task. Build Project. Alternatively, click the Build button. Or press F7 to start the build. The executable file is generated in the Build folder. To launch RA Smart Configurator for reconfiguring the project, right-click the configuration.xml file at the project root. And select Open with RA Smart Configurator from the context menu. Select a Renesas RA Smart Configurator from the list to open the project. Edit the project configuration in RASC. Once completed, click the Generate Project Content button to regenerate the project content. A launch.json file is created in the .vs Code folder with default settings. Select the Run and Debug icon. Start debugging. Or press F5 to launch the debug session. A debug session will start. Basic debug control flow functions can be performed. Displaying variables, watch expression, and call stack are supported.